Hello friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, what you are seeing on the screen is actually a website by Google known as Google News, and I'm going to show you how you can make money online using this website. So we are going to get started right now. Just before we get started, give this video a thumbs up as it helps to boost the channel so that the channel can be shown to more people. Just give this video a thumbs up by liking the video. All right, so let's continue. So the first thing you're going to do is come to Google News. All right, the website is news.google.com. So you can see here news.google.com. And once you are into this website, what you want to do is you want to find a category that sounds interesting for you. So let's say, for example, I'll go into the health category and I'm going to click health. Okay, I'm going to click health because I want to read about healthy articles. So now what you want to do is you want to find a topic that is here on the health articles that is very interesting. So you can see most of the articles about covid. You can see, then if you go to medicine, these are latest. If you go to medicine, you can go to healthcare and you can read all the articles that are here. Now don't worry, I'm going to show you. I'm sure you're wondering, how do I make money with this? I'm going to show you just that. Okay, so now once you do this, okay, you want to come to a website known as writers guidelines. Okay, I'm eating well, sorry, eating well. So eating well is a website that pays you for writing articles. Okay, it pays you for writing articles. Now because on Google News, most of the articles that are here, they are latest website, they are latest articles which have not been published so much. What you're going to do, you want to read the articles that are here and you want to write them in your own words. Okay, you want to write them in your own words. Make sure you need to rewrite them. You don't need to copy everything that is here. So let's say, for example, I open this website. Okay, I open this article that is on Google News and I read this article. I like this article which is on news.google.com, and when I read this article, I enjoy it. Now here on Eating Well is a website that will accept articles that are in the healthy niche or in the health category. So when you write your articles that uh, when you write your articles that you got from when you read the articles from Google News and you write them in your own words, what you're going to do, you come to Eating Well and you want to submit your article to them, and here they give you guidelines for writers guidelines on how you can submit your articles. Okay, and they tell you, so you have to read this. Okay, they'll tell you exactly what you're supposed to do. And the good thing about Eating Well is that they'll pay you $1 per word. So imagine if you just write an article that has 1,000 words and it is accepted by Eating Well, you'll be paid $1,000 just for writing one article. It's as simple as that. Okay, so all you have to do is put in the work. It just depends how much you need that 1,000 United States dollars to get this money. So the more you research about your topic, the better you write it, the more chances you have of getting paid. Another website you can do, because not everyone is interested in writing about health, what you can do, instead of writing about health, you come to Google News, and what you're going to do is go maybe to the technology or business category, and you want to go to this website known as sierraclub.org. Okay, so sierraclub.org is also a website that will pay you for sending in articles to them. Now the articles should also be well researched, and I'm going to show you how you should submit the articles. So you have to make sure you submit the articles the way I'm going to show you. Don't just rush to submit in any other way, or you might end up wasting your own time and also of others. Now at the end of this video, before we end the video, I'm also going to show you how you can simplify this within 30 minutes or 5 minutes to do it, depending if you're willing to put in the work. All right, so what you're going to do is, when you come to sierra.org, you read how you submit the articles. So sierra.com, unlike the way it is with eatingwell.com, sierra.org, they pay you a fixed or flat rate of $250 per article you've written. All right, so whether you've written 1000 words, 650 words, whichever you've written, they'll still pay you a flat fee of $250. That's how it is, the difference with them. The other one is Daily Jester. So Daily Jester is also a website that will pay you for submitting articles to them. So now, how can you make this as simple as possible? Now, depending on the articles that you've uh, written, what you want to do is you want to come to an empty site and search for Spinbot. Okay, Spinbot. Once you search for Spinbot, you want to open it. Okay, you can open it, or you can just come to spinrewriter.com. Now, spinrewriter.com is a paid version. They don't offer, it's a paid version of it's a paid version. Now you can get 5 days free access to this website. Now what you have to note is that if you don't cancel the 5 days, they'll automatically charge your credit card, because you have to connect your credit card when signing up to Spin Rewriter. So what you have to do, why we are using Spin Rewriter is whereby you want to automate the rewriting process. Okay, you don't want to rewrite the articles yourself or do the research yourself. So what you're going to do, we're just going to copy, let's say, let me just copy something here. Let's say I copy this. All right, I'll just copy this, what that is here. Let's just say this is the article, I copy it, and let's say for Spinbot, I'll paste the article here. Once I paste the article here, what I want to do, I'll say okay, and I'll say spin. Okay, so if I say I click spin, what will happen is that Spinbot will rewrite the article for me. Now when it does the rewriting, make sure you read so that the English is well written. Okay, make sure you read everything that is here. Once you read what is here, you want to copy this. Now I'm going to show you how you are going to submit this article. So once you copy this article, let's say you are happy with this article, remember, the more words the better. So you're going to go to your Gmail account. You're going to go to Gmail. Okay, and once you go to Gmail, you want to write to submit the article to them. Make sure you follow me how to submit your article in Gmail. Okay, because this is very important to what you're going to do. Okay, let me just go to Gmail. So yeah, I'm going to gmail.com. You want to write your article, submit your article, because you don't have to submit your article on the website. You submit your articles through Gmail. So what you have to do, you just need to get the submission email, which they indicate here. Let's say let me go to Eating Well. So you can see Eating Well, they'll tell you to submit to pitches@eatingwell.com. This is the email you send your article to. All right, so when you come to Gmail, you're going to click on compose. Once you click compose, okay, when you click compose, I don't know, my internet is somehow failing. Okay, so you're going to paste that article you wrote here, and the subject here. Now Eating Well gives you instructions on how to submit. They'll tell you, please include Eating Well magazine pitch and appropriate in the subject line. So you have to do this. You have to have this also as part of your submission. Okay, so I'll go back to Gmail. Where is it? All right, here. So here you have to have that as part of your submission. Make sure it's there, and you also want to have the title of your article right here. Okay, then the email, you have to enter the email that is here, pitches@eatingwell.com. You're going to submit, place it here, and you're going to click send. So once Eating Well receives your email, they'll go through it, and if they accept your email, you'll be paid per word $1. So if you have 600 words or 1000 words, you'll be paid $1000 just for rewriting an article. So the best I can advise you, if you're watching this video, is to do it manually, because no matter how good these machines are, articles, Spinbot is free. You can use Spinbot, but Spin Rewriter is a paid version, though it's better than the other one because it rewrites like a human being, but it has some high fees. Okay, depending from where you're coming from, it might be affordable, but not everyone can afford it. So that's how you make money online using Google News. And these websites, remember, Eating Well, then there's also the Sierra Club, and there's also Daily Jester. Okay, so thank you very much. If this video is helpful, make sure you hit the like button if you didn't like the video already. And also, if you find the content on my channel helpful, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.